What's going on, my crypto fam? RJ here. And in today's video, we're just going to do a quick introduction to the BlüWolf den over on the Discord because there's been a lot of people inquiring about it. And so we're going to do like a quick tour on the actual Discord itself and to give you guys a teaser on what you're getting when you purchase the course. But I will open up the Discord later on at a set price, and we're going to go a little deeper into why that is in a bit. Now, before we get started, obviously I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not take this as financial advice. This video and this entire channel is meant for education and entertainment purposes only. This is crypto, let alone this is DeFi, so do not blindly follow me or anyone else. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. And with that, let's go ahead and get started. Welcome to the flight deck, everyone. So just a quick announcement that there is less than 6 hours to lock in that promotional rate for the live iteration of this course. So if we scroll down to the masterclass, if you guys missed the live webinar as well as the course run through yesterday, make sure you guys check those videos out. But the one thing I want to show you guys is right here, the exclusive promotional student offer. So this is a limited exclusive offer for the live iteration of this course, and you have 5 hours and 2 minutes left, again, at the time of this recording, to lock in that promotional rate. After that promotional rate is over, it will go up to its full price, but I do want to make sure you guys are aware, even at its full price, you will have the pricing options. So you'll still have your 2-month and your 3-month plans, okay? And of course, what that comes with is the masterclass itself, led live by me. And that's a continuously evolving dynamic course where I add and edit and update new pieces of information. It's not a static course where it's like a one and done kind of thing. DeFi, as you know, changes weekly, monthly. So that portion of the academic side of BlüWolf Crypto will be continuously updated. And the private Discord that has shown a lot of interest from a lot of serious investors and a lot of people that are actually serious about making passive income through crypto and DeFi has shown a lot of positive enthusiasm for the Discord. And then of course, you are also going to get your private one-on-one Zoom meeting with me, and that comes with the course itself. So that's a 45-minute one-on-one Zoom meeting where you can talk to me about anything you want about the course or any feedback or your portfolio or anything you want me to expand on that might need just a little bit more clarification. So again, the promotional rate is done in 5 hours. The pre-sale of this course is done in 5 hours. Okay, so after that, it'll just go back to its original pricing. And then what's going to happen is I'm going to start the course next Monday. Now, here's also a good question that was asked. What happens if I enroll in the course during or after you started teaching or presenting live next week? So let's say the course obviously starts on Monday next week and is a 7-day intensive course. Let's say you sign up at Tuesday or Wednesday. So what's going to happen is after every class period, the webinar saves. So I upload the recorded webinar onto the class for people to either rewatch, or if you are joining in late, you can kind of catch up and catch the rest of the class itself live. So I hope that answers that question. So with that, let's go ahead and dive into the Discord, which is the topic of this video. So here we are on the BlüWolf Den Discord. And what I'm gonna actually do is I'm gonna disable my camera just so you guys get the full immersive experience of the private Discord that we are going to have as the BlüWolf Den. Okay. So when you get invited or when you purchase your entry into the private Discord, the exclusive Discord, you're going to see right from the get-go on the right side, you're going to have a few bots that our mod and admin has created. So if you guys scroll down here, you will see a familiar face, Krug Crypto. He's actually my admin and mod who had built this Discord from scratch. So he's the one that added the bots. He's the one that built the channels, which we are about to go through here. So from the very beginning, you will land into the BlüWolf rules. So obviously make sure you guys familiarize yourself with the rules. And then on the left side, you'll have BlüWolf announcements made by either me or the moderator team. My team is going to continue to grow. Again, I have a web developer and I'm in talks with someone right now who's going to be our technical analysis person. And then the BlüWolf bot spam. So this is where we kind of see all the bot announcements that we don't want flooding into any of the channels. And then the BlüWolf text, where we can have general chatter, which I'm sure where everyone is going to land to talk about anything and everything crypto and DeFi related. We're going to have obviously just generic coins and tokens, NFT talk, and then trade ideas for any swing traders or day traders in the crypto side. I know there's certain groups in the DeFi space, like Jiraiya and Stonepipes has been taking his tab at the day trading side of crypto. So that'll be here. And then if we continue to scroll down, you will see BlüWolf Elite, where I'm going to be talking about my current portfolio and analysis. So if I see something change in one of my projects, or if I see something change in one of my cryptos, like Bitcoin or Constellation, I'm going to write something in here and make sure everyone is obviously aware of my portfolio, because that's part of the main reason you guys are getting in here, so you guys can look under the hood of my portfolio and why I'm making certain moves. So if I take profits off one and roll it to fund into another project, what my mindset is, and that's going to be in here. And of course, we're going to have private whitelist opportunities for any future projects and developers wanting to partner with us. Obviously, as this exclusive community continues to grow with nothing but like minds with the sole goal of making passive income and achieving that goal of financial freedom, projects and developers are going to start reaching out and providing the BlüWolf Den with exclusive whitelist opportunities and private pre-sales. So that's obviously going to be very beneficial for your more seasoned and experienced investors, why they should join this exclusive group. Scrolling on down, we'll have the BlüWolf Academy. So this is for all the currently enrolled students for BlüWolf Academy. So have your scholar chat. So if, let's say, after Monday's class, you guys wanted to discuss a couple things, this is where you guys can chat amongst other students. And then let's say Tuesday's class was a lot of information. It was hardware wallets and people still need certain things clarified. You guys can chat amongst yourselves here. And then we have course feedback. So I'm always looking to improve my course, as well as what to add, what to remove, what to edit, what to expand on. So your feedback is very, very valuable to me to make sure that we can have BlüWolf Crypto, the Academy side, one of the best in the DeFi space. And then scrolling on down, we have some voice chats just to kind of hang out with. So you'll have voice chat to text, and then you'll just have your common area. So you can kind of go in here and kind of just chat and talk with other people. Hunting grounds, if you guys are on the lookout or on the prowl for certain projects that you see and you kind of want to just talk about it openly with other people and other like-minded DeFi enthusiasts and investors, you can talk here. I have my own personal den, and then of course the BlüWolf stage. So if I have a project, or if I have an announcement to make, or if there's a project I really want to go over, I'm going to send a communication telling you that I'm going to be hosting a stage in 7 o'clock on Wednesday. Make sure you tune in, and then I'm going to take the stage and kind of talk to just everyone in the den here. And then of course we'll have our moderators chat only, and then prison. I don't think and hope myself or the mods will have to put anyone in prison, but this is here so that we don't have to just automatically ban or kick anyone acting a fool. And we can just kind of put them in timeout until they appeal to why they shouldn't get banned from the Discord. All right. So again, as you can see, I'm a big fan of neat and clean and not so cluttered and not so messy. So again, I really, really like how Krug was able to build this with my vision, kind of how I want this as a super, super exclusive group. I didn't want a Telegram. I wanted something more visually appealing and something more interactive rather than just the feel of a Telegram, where it's just kind of like a massive group text where you can't really search for anything in there and it just feels clunky. It just feels scammy to me. Discord obviously feels more professional. It feels more exclusive. It feels more legit. Clean, simple. I love it. So yes, when you register for the course, whether that's you get the promotional price tonight or just at full price, you will get access to the exclusive BlüWolf Crypto Den Discord. Now, the value to get in on this is going to be $500. There's going to be some backlash on that, and I expect that, which is fine. The reason I want something like that is because I have been part of major groups now that I've seen charge anywhere between $1,000 to $3,000 to get in, and they have 500 members in there. But guess what those 500 members are doing? They are constantly on the prowl. They're constantly on the lookout and constantly evaluating projects, looking out for projects, dissecting current projects, and they're moving as a unit. And it's very, very powerful when you have a group of like-minded individuals with one common goal. Now, I have already gotten a bunch of emails and private DMs about people just saying that they're very, very happy that this is an exclusive group, because what happens is if I just open it to a general public, or if I open it for $10 subscription or $25 subscription, what's going to happen is it's going to get flooded with people that I don't want in there. It's going to be a whole bunch of spammers. It's going to be filled with a whole bunch of internet trolls looking to troll the Discord. And then the mods have to sit there and ban people, which is not what we're trying to build here. I'm trying to build an elite group of like-minded individuals, and I have seen other groups been able to do it, and I know we have a strong enough following that we can do that as well. There's been a lot of really careful consideration amongst Krug and a couple members of my team about the Discord and how we want to structurize it. And this is, I think, the best way to do it. Because if you put a certain price tag on there and people actually pay to get in, you automatically know where their mind is and what their goal is. They just paid a premium to be part of an exclusive and private group that is focused on earning passive income and achieving financial freedom, that they're always going to be in there with the same common goal. Not a whole bunch of internet trolls trolling the Discord and our mods are having to sit there and ban people. This isn't high school. This isn't middle school. What we're building here is pretty much an elite group of venture capitalists that have the same common goal. And the harshest truth of all this is that I don't want just anyone in this group. Period. So again, that comes with your purchase of the actual course, which will be in the description below, or just visit BlüWolfCryptoAcademy.com. Again, guys, I am so thrilled and excited to finally have an exclusive community. I know you guys have been asking for it for a long time, and I didn't think I'd even ever get to this point. But after being in this space for a long time now, crypto and DeFi does deserve a better space for people that actually have a goal and doesn't have to filter out all of the BS and all the troll comments in there. And every single message should be about achieving that same goal that everyone has, which is passive income and financial freedom. That's it. If you guys did enjoy what you saw, please consider smashing that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I upload new content. Again, we are less than 6 hours for the promotional price of the masterclass delivered live by me starting next Monday. If you don't get in by midnight tonight, it's okay. You can still register, but just know that it is going to bump up to that full price with options for payment plans as well. If you guys have any other questions, just please post them in the comment section below. Life is too freaking short, so eat some delicious food, drink some delicious drinks, do some good in the world, spread some positive vibes, and I'm going to see everyone on the next crypto video next time.